From the Pyrex Vision to the off-white, my man Virgil, killing it. Here we go, perfect. Yo, my name is Khalil. Right now we're in the trenches at Stadium Goods. About to give you guys a little insight on a pair of shoes that just recently came out. But first we need to talk about the Virgil Abloh off-white Complex Con exclusive. That one featured the white upper, silver kind of foil swoosh, and it was just like all white with a white tab. It was pretty cool. We currently don't have it right now because we sold out. It was a very, very popular shoe, but they recently just dropped the black one at the Museum of Modern Art, which is also known as MoMA. And I think we should take a look at this one. So right now we're going to get into the all black MoMA exclusive Virgil Abloh Air Force One Low. Recently released at the MoMA, Museum of Modern Arts, in the Fashion Modern exhibition. So let's take a look at these. So they're pretty similar to the other ones that released at Complex Con. Only difference is that the upper is all black. It does feature the same metallic kind of foil swoosh. It also has the same orange tab right here, and then also the air in quotes. All white lacing, like this tape kind of material in the back. Also the same Virgil Abloh X in the inside. And yeah, it's pretty basic, simple, kind of deconstructed around the top and also the tongue area. And then we have Nike tab right here, made out of this kind of like ripstop paper material, just kind of cool. And pretty much the same thing on the other foot, but we do have this new kind of translucent hang tab zip tie type thing, which is pretty cool. So these were especially dropped at the MoMA. I don't know if you guys ever been there, but they had an exhibition for Is Fashion Modern, and that's kind of just embracing, you know, street fashion culture coming into, you know, kind of like the high-end fashion world, and them kind of coming together and creating one. So yeah, this is kind of what these shoes represent. So we do have these here at Stadium Goods. Feel free to pop in anytime, Sunday through Monday from 12 to 8. Also, make sure you follow us on all of our social media platforms such as Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. My name is Khalil, and I'm out.